Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I tried using the new Air 10 hair removal device. It's an at-home hair removal device, and I tried it at home. The results are actually crazy. I know every influencer is talking about this. It's real. The results are insane. I thought I would show you guys like my results, how I've been using it, and everything that it's done for me recently. I know there's so many mamas and mid-sized girls dealing with the same insecurities as me. I hate having strawberry legs. I hate having dark spots underneath my armpits. I also hate razor burns in my bikini area, and this device actually got rid of it all while getting rid of my hair all at the same time, which is absolutely like mind-blowing. I feel like I'm back in high school when my skin was like soft, smooth, and like just really nice. And I feel like my skin is finally there. For the first time, I went to the beach like 2 days ago, and I was so confident. I didn't have any worries running in the back of my head like screaming at me. Everybody can see like that one hair that you missed in your bikini zone. I would wear shorts all the time, and I don't have to anymore. And it's only been 2 weeks. This thing is supposed to get rid of your hair like after 4 months. Your hair is supposed to be completely gone, but for me, 2 weeks, like this is amazing. So this is the Air 10 device that I have been using. It's the #1 selling brand in the IPL device field. It's fully trusted, FDA approved. Like, the packaging is so beautiful. It feels like you got it from a spa. And just know, guys, like if I'm using this, it is completely safe. I am one of those mamas that I do not use things on myself like this. I always say no to collaborations like this because I am not doing any damage to my body. I have 2 little ones that need me there, and I'm not about to risk my health for like a brand, you know? I'm never ever going to do that. So this is actually FDA approved. It's really safe to use. I really did my research and made sure that I felt safe using this, and especially that it's at home and it's not in like an office. It could be really scary, but this is completely backed up. So this is my Air 10. It's a lot bigger than I thought. This is actually like salon quality. I feel like it's like a spa like device, and it comes with these little cute foldable glasses. They're really cool. They look really good on, and I just feel like I like the fact that they're protecting my eyes. Also, you get the plug because this does have to plug into the wall. And it also comes with a manual that was so easy for me to read, guys. This was so straight to the point that I was able to read it no problem, and I knew my do's and don'ts with this product. And then it also comes with a razor. So this razor is super good. You're gonna wanna make sure that you use a razor before actually using this device, or else the hair is going to like bend over on the top and it's not gonna actually be able to get into the hair follicle. And then it's nice and smooth and ready to go. And just in case you guys don't know what IPL is, it's basically the same hair removal technology that you would get at like a salon, but like at home. It works by targeting hair follicles and zapping away unwanted hair. And with regular use, it actually destroys the hair follicles, so the hair stops growing back. Like, it's so freaking cool, and it doesn't hurt like one bit. It feels like actually nothing. The sapphire cooling technology makes it totally cool to touch. They use real AAA sapphires, making the laser super gentle onto the skin. You literally feel nothing at all. Whenever I first pulled this out, whenever I touched the screen part, it felt so cold. Like, it felt like I was taking a block of ice and putting it onto my skin. It also has a skin sensor detector mode, so it can detect your skin tone, and it auto adjusts treatment's power, and if it thinks the area is not safe, it will not work, and it actually shows like this little red line, so you don't have to like worry about a thing. So it has 4 modes. It has the quick mode, which is like for touch-ups. I honestly use this for the first 2 days just to let my skin and my hair get used to this device. And I also went in with this right here. It's like the aloe vera after sun gel. I made sure to use this every single time I use this device, just so that my body could cool down. Just like wanted to go in with something that just like helped my skin. You also have the normal mode, which is for thin to normal hair. I like to use this onto my face. Then you have high mode, which I'll go in with high mode on maybe more sensitive areas. And then it has the SHR mode. Once I started using the it took me a long time to get there. It took me a really long time to get like to SHR mode. But once I got there, and oh my gosh, the results that I got is so much better, like, and quicker. My hair is getting so thin. That's when I really truly saw the results. But I really think it's important to take it slow in the beginning. You know, even though it takes longer to like see the results, I think it's really important to go slow and I'm not one to go slow, trust me. I usually am like boom boom boom, give me results. But with this, it was a little different. I'm like, okay, let me take my time. I took my time and it was definitely worth it. Then the SHR mode, like, wow, my armpits, like in 2 days after using this, I saw dramatic results. And I use the SHR mode like everywhere. My kitty, like that is so good. Looks like I got wax, feels like I got wax. I've never been so soft down there, and it's the first time in so long that I feel good wearing a bathing suit without shorts. I have a lot of anxiety, guys. Like, if you have anxiety, you totally probably get me. And I just cannot stand being in like a little tiny bikini. But the other day was the first time that I had my confidence back. I didn't even think twice about it. And I got home and I'm like, oh my gosh. Like, this feels amazing. It feels amazing to feel like this confidence. And if I would have known about this thing, I would have bought it years ago. I would have put it on my Christmas list, my birthday wish list. It would have been everywhere, because I think this is the like device that you truly are going to see results from. You are going to feel so happy if you love to shave, like not love to shave, if you hate to shave, you know, but you love being hairless, then I think this is definitely something that you're probably going to want to invest in. But now that we got into that, let me show you guys how this actually works. Let me show you guys how painless it is and like how fun it is. So I'm going to put on my cool little goggles. I never wear glasses because of like my nose. I feel like it just doesn't suit my face. Glasses just don't suit me. I got really big cheeks, my nose, the way it's shaped, like everything, like it, I look so weird. So I'm gonna show you guys like how this actually works and show you guys like how painless it is and how amazing it is and just like how to actually use it. I didn't see anybody like really show me how to use it, and they just like described the device, but I think showing you guys from A to like, you know, from start to finish, I think it's going to be really helpful. I wish somebody would have showed me that. Plug goes right into the device, and what I like to do is I'll turn it on right here. And you are gonna hear like a little fan. So nice. It's like this little fan, so this way the device doesn't get too hot or anything like that. And I like to wait at least like, I don't know, give it like a few seconds to cool down, because this little area right here is what cools down. You're gonna start to see it kind of fogs up, because it's almost like it's in the fridge. The way a glass, like if you would go ahead and put a glass into the freezer or into the fridge, you know how it like have that fog? That's what happens to this glass, and you want to make sure that you like clean this off every single time you use it. But there, like I'm gonna touch, it is so cold. It feels like I'm taking an ice cube. It was that quick. So you have different modes. You can see here that this is the cooling, and to change the modes, I'm basically hitting the on button, because this is the SHR mode. But if you hit the on button and the off button, then you're gonna be able to change the mode. So this is the fast mode, this is the normal mode, and this is the high mode. And then I'm going to go ahead and click this one up here, and that's gonna give me the SHR mode. But basically what I'm going to do today, I think I'm gonna go, I'm not gonna do SHR mode, we're gonna do like normal. This is for very light, thin hair. So what I love about this is that you could use this, let me just put my glasses on. So you could use this and basically do one time, like one shot at a time, so you can control when the flash goes. But if you want auto glide mode, which basically like I could do my whole body within 7 minutes whenever I do this, you basically want to hold this little button, the little button that you would push to create the light. You want to push it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Lift. You're gonna see it's gonna go on glide mode. Basically, I could do like my whole body within like 7 minutes, and I am completely done whenever I use that mode. So that is how I've been using this. It's super simple. It's really easy to use, guys. It's not a device that's hard to use. It's very simple, straight to the point, and the instruction manual like really was clear on my do's and don'ts. If you guys are still here, please leave a strawberry in the comment section so I know that you guys are still around. That's amazing, and I absolutely love when you guys are still here, and let me know. But if you guys want this device, I know that on Prime Day for Amazon, on July 16th. This is going to be the lowest it is like ever this year. The price is going to be dropped drastically, and you guys can use my coupon code. I'll put it here onto the screen, and this coupon code is going to like add it to the discounts, so make sure to use it. So if you guys don't like it within like 90 days, you guys can return it, no problem, no big deal. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and liked my results. If you guys did and you guys have been using this, let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are on this. And if you guys are interested, if you're gonna put on your Christmas list this year or your birthday wish list. And I'll see you guys in the next. Bye guys.